In the use of diesel gensets, there are problems such as hunting, runaway, flameout, etc., so that it is unable to work stably and reliably for a long time. What is the reason? It may be caused by mechanical speed regulation. The stable operation of the engine requires balance of load, speed, and fuel supply, keeping the three in good coordination, and the speed basically constant, which are all regulated by the governor. If it is not functioning properly, when the speed increases, it is easy to exceed the rated speed and cause runaway. And when the speed decreases, it is easy to cause flameout. The role of the governor is very important. Our common ones are mechanical governor and electronic governor. The mechanical governor uses the principle of flyhammer centrifugal force to stabilize the engine speed. Although the cost is low, the response is slow, the speed regulation accuracy is low, and the stability performance is poor, which makes it difficult to meet the long-term stable and reliable work requirements of the engine. But the electronic governor can solve the above problems very well. It contains three modules: speed sensor, electromagnetic actuator, and speed controller. Through the coordination between the three, the engine speed can be quickly adjusted to ensure its stable operation. Fortrust's electronic speed control solutions have been leading the field of engine control. The new A700 series can effectively solve the problems of mechanical governor hunting, poor stability, etc., improve the speed control index of diesel engine, and realize automatic control. A700 series, the real king of cost performance. You can spend the least amount of money to update your machine. Easy installation and simple operation. Applicable to most 4-cylinder and smaller oil pump models on the market. Fortrust, a genset parts manufacturer from China, made the superstar product Z2002. Founded in 2003 with a production plant of over 10,000 square meters, professional R&D and manufacturing, and strong technical service team with over 100 staff. Contact us now with global sales at Fortrust.cn for the nice product.